welcome back to the Randomthings channel. I hope you're doing well. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. There's lots of new content coming your way. Content. I can't speak today. This is a very quick pitch unboxing just for you guys, and let me know what you think of the rebrand. Ciao for now. Get your very own Fire HD8 from my link in the description.
I've been tied to the scene, out on stage, here on screen. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I will stay.
Watch, read, play and connect. Download Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub and more. Go hands-free with Alexa.
I swear to God, man, I'm staying focused. My mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion. You're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man.
Hope you like the rebrand, guys. These quick unboxings are here to stay on the channel, so do not be disappointed. You won't always have to choose the long unboxing, but I do appreciate a like. Let me know what you think, and ciao for now.